Welcome to Keikuk Tech. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of downloading the Odyssey Jailbreak without using a computer. Here's what we'll cover. Firstly, I'll show you how to download the Odyssey Jailbreak onto your device. Then, we'll dive into the installation process and explore how to use Sileo for downloading tweaks. I'll also demonstrate how to check tweak compatibility to avoid any issues that might arise from incompatible tweaks. Let's get started. You can find the list of supported devices on the screen. Although initially stated for A8, A9 devices, Odyssey now supports all iOS versions from iOS 13 to iOS 13.7, including A12 and A13 devices. Simply head over to jailbreaks.app in your browser, where both Odyssey and Uncover jailbreaks are available. Tap on Odyssey and then on Install to begin the download process. Once downloaded, if you encounter an untrusted developer pop-up, go to Settings, General, Device Management to trust the application. Afterward, launch the Odyssey app and tap on Jailbreak to start the jailbreaking process. Expect your device to restart once or twice during this process. Upon successful jailbreaking, you'll find Sileo on your home screen. Open Sileo and upgrade all packages in the Packages section. For checking tweak compatibility, visit the provided link in the description to see a list of compatible tweaks for your iOS version. That's it. Odyssey Jailbreak is now installed on your device without needing a computer. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Keikuk Tech for more iOS tutorials. Thank you for watching.